Hey now. So, the eviction moratorium that prevented landlords from evicting tenants who could not pay their rent just had the final extension expire on July 31st. But the CDC just came out and announced a 60-day ban on evictions for counties that have high cases of coronavirus. So you'll need to check the CDC's website to see if your county is included. And I have provided the link below in the description box. And I thought I would take this time to review with you some housing resources that I had previously shared so that you can use this 60-day extension as a possible blessing that gives you a little bit of time to learn about resources that may really be of help during this rent crisis. So the CDC's new ban on evictions provides 60 more days to work out some type of arrangements. Otherwise, the entire amount of rent will become due on October 3rd, unless you have made other arrangements. So let's talk about it. So first of all, in case you are not aware, or just as a reminder, a few months ago I provided information about the Emergency Rental Assistance Program, also known as ERAP. This program provides assistance with your rent and your utilities for up to 12 months and an additional 3 months after that if you qualify. Now, I provided all sorts of details in a blog post on shelleysfrugality.org. I have put the link down in the description box, so you're going to want to go there when this podcast is done for details on that program, including what's required to qualify and how to sign up. Now, you're not going to want to click and go now. Stay tuned because I have some more resources to share with you. But when the podcast is done, you can just click that link and you will get the details on that program. Okay, and next, I also provided a few months back the following resources that include emergency shelter assistance, low-income housing assistance, eviction help, and more. So let's review that information. JustShelter.org is an organization that provides information to help you know and understand your rights, helps prevent eviction by connecting you with resources within your local community, and also can assist with emergency housing. The National Low Income Housing Coalition allows you to search by state so that you obtain information on programs based upon your local area. It also provides information on eviction protection and has an affordable housing database that contains inventory of affordable housing all across the country. If you're not familiar with 211.org, 211.org is an organization that connects you to a specialist who can then connect you with local resources that assist with emergency shelter, housing assistance, food supplement programs, assistance with your utilities, and all sorts of other programs, and is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and is a confidential service. And LSC.gov is Legal Services Corporation, which is a nonprofit organization started by Congress to provide legal aid to low-income individuals. So these organizations may be of some immediate assistance. Please discuss your personal situation with a state agency representative or community specialist in your particular area. But links to each of these websites is down below in the description box. So just check out the sites and see what resources they have that are available to you. And it is at this time that I will remind you to seek the advice of a legal aid to help you to better understand your rights and your options for your particular situation and to advise you concerning any payment arrangements. Also, be sure to review your rental agreement to be sure that you understand and comply with all of the provisions. Don't make it easy for a landlord to evict you for reasons other than non-payment of rent. Okay? And now I'm going to put on the screen just a bit more information concerning rights of rentees. And here's a bit of information that may help public housing, Section 8, and voucher or RAP tenants apply for a rent adjustment. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If so, please leave a like to let me know. Please also share the video with someone else who may be able to benefit from this information, and in that way you are paying it forward. Please also remain encouraged and know that the Lord has not forgotten about you. Cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you. Don't give up hope. Good news is coming. So stay encouraged.